Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix product launches with ClickUp step by step clearly. Log in to your ClickUp account. Create a new workspace dedicated to your product launch. Set up a folder within the workspace for better organization. Add a new list specifically for the product launch tasks. Define the main objectives of your product launch. Break down each objective into smaller, actionable tasks. Assign team members to each task based on their expertise. Set deadlines for every task to ensure timely completion. Utilize ClickUp's priority feature to mark urgent tasks. Add detailed descriptions to each task for clarity. Incorporate checklists to track subtasks within larger tasks. Sync relevant documents and resources to tasks for easy access. Create a timeline view to visualize the project schedule. Use the calendar view to spot potential scheduling conflicts. Regularly update task statuses to reflect progress. Host weekly team meetings to discuss project updates. Encourage team members to communicate via comments on tasks. Leverage ClickUp's time tracking feature for accountability. Monitor progress using the dashboard for instant insights. Adjust deadlines and reassign tasks as necessary to stay on track. Review the entire project once completed for lessons learned. Collect feedback from the team to improve future launches. Archive the project in ClickUp for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.